I'm on my way out to see a homeowner, and they're looking for an air conditioner. It's a new build. They have just moved into it, or maybe they've owned it for a while. I never really know for sure what's going on in that case. People have the opportunity to put their air conditioner in through the builder. Well, sometimes they don't. But in this case, it comes down to a decision. Have they lived in it for a while and they found that it was too hot without air conditioning? Did they decide that they wanted to put it off and do it later? Were they offered the option from the builder? Or did they find maybe the price from the builder was a lot more than they thought it should be? I have no answers for any of this, but that's why I'm going out to see them. See if we can figure out exactly what it is that their thought process was. Maybe there was a really good reason for not having it put in at the time. So I made a quick call to the homeowner that I'm going to see about the air conditioner. Her name's Tatiana. And as it turns out, it's for their son's house that lives one street over. That's very nice of them. I don't know who will be paying the bill, but she's going to meet me over there, and then we'll have a walk through and see what the situation is. So, a little bit of an update on that. Just coming up to the property here. It's number 70. On this side, townhouse, row house type places. So I just left the property now. I met with mom and dad. Her son Michael bought the property. Mom and dad had bought a property from the same builder one street over, and they had us put the air conditioner in 2.5 years ago. Very happy with everything that was done. So what happened with the builders is the builder did not offer air conditioning. They didn't offer it, and they didn't offer it at any price. It just wasn't an option. So all of the places that they put up, and this was kind of a townhouse, stretched out, so there's units on both sides. The parents had to arrange to have their own air conditioning put in, and the son was in the same situation. So he hadn't gone through a season yet, but they knew what these houses were like. They know they get far too hot in the summertime, too much humidity, and they wanted to make sure that their son got ahead of it. So this is the outside view. I just talked to the homeowner's father, and he said they'd like to have it on brackets, and they'd like to put it somewhere right around here. This is the property here, brand new build. And I'm not seeing hardly any air conditioners around here at all. Well, there's one over there they've done. Up on brackets like that. Okay, so pretty straightforward. ML 70,000 BTU furnace here from Lennox. We're gonna go right out straight here with the line set. They want it on brackets. Very important to them here. Electrical's right here. And it's Schneider breakers. So straight up over, right out. We got about 20 feet of electrical. So we'll get this all set up and in. They were hoping for within the next few days. They asked me if we could do Friday, and I said, well, pretty sure we can get that done to accommodate them. So that's the whole story. The builder didn't offer it. It wasn't available. Everyone had to get their own done, and we will accommodate. So that was the second new construction property I went to look at today. I just came from meeting a nice lady named Angela, and I checked with her also, and the builder did not offer air conditioning. This one is a brand new build. They have not lived in it yet. They're moving in this weekend. She said no, they didn't offer the air conditioning, and she had her real estate person that was handling the transaction ask them about it, and they said no, not at any price. You have to deal with that yourself. So it's another one that I just find so fascinating, that builders that build an entire house and they put hot water heaters in, they put furnaces in, but they stay away from air conditioning. The one that I went to see a little bit earlier today, they've already approved their quote, and we'll be installing that one on Friday for them. Again, that was the one where it was their son, Mike, who the parents were helping do the shopping for the air conditioner. And it was funny, I asked them and they said no, they're not paying for it. They will do the transaction, but their son will give them back the money. And I think that's probably the right way to do it. So, thanks for watching. Stay comfortable, and please stay tuned.